Welcome to the world of Python programming. Before we dive into writing code, we need to set up a suitable environment for coding. One of the most popular code editors for Python is Visual Studio Code, VS Code. It's lightweight, customizable, and comes with many features that make coding more efficient and enjoyable. In this section, we'll guide you through installing VS Code and setting it up for Python development. My name is Govind Bajpai and I will be your instructor for this Python course. I'm here to help you step by step as you begin your journey into programming with Python. Let's get started with setting up your coding environment. I will guide you through various steps. Just follow the steps and we'll be good to go. Step 1 is to download Visual Studio Code. For that, we have to go to the code.visualstudio.com and click the download button, run the installer, and on Windows, we have to ensure we check add to path during installation. Let me share my other screen. I would go to code.visualstudio.com and we see this option for download for Windows. For Windows, downloading. Once it's downloaded, .exe file, we have to open it and accept the agreement. Next. Here we have to ensure we check add to path. So it would take a couple of minutes and okay, so it is installed. Finish. Alright, so after installation you'll see Visual Studio Code like this, the window opened up. We'll see this option for new file either from here or we go to file, new file. So I would open it from here, new file. I would make a new Python file and I will do Control S, or you go to file, save as. I would make a documents. I would make a new folder. And I would make hello.py. All right. And we can write something here, print hello world and save this. You'll notice we just have installed Visual Studio Code. We not set up the Python environment here. So for that, what you can do is you see the select interpreter here, and you can see something pops up, Python 3.11 here. So, and this comes from, I would select that. All right. And if I go and click this run button, it should print hello world. This is ensuring it's reading the correct Python and the interpreter is set properly. And if you don't see this, if you don't see this Python interpreter in your here, you can just go to the Windows Store, Microsoft Store. And here you have to search Python. You search Python. For me it says it's installed. Python 3.11 will install it. If it is not installed for your case, you just go there and install that Python and it would appear up here. And then you can just select the interpreter and you're good to go. One other thing could be the extensions. You come to the extensions here in the Visual Studio Code and you see the Python, or if you don't see this, you can search Python, the first one, and you can install this extension for your case. By default, when you install the Visual Studio Code for the first time and you make any Python file, it would pop up to install the extension for Python. Once that pops up, you just go ahead and install the Python extension. Otherwise, you just go to the extensions section, this section here, and search Python, click on it and install. Alright, and after installation, just to check if it is installed properly or not, we already did step 2. Let me go back to my slides. So for the verification of Python installation, what we have to do is we have to open terminal in the VS Code. For this, it's already opened up. If you don't have already opened up, you just go to terminal, new terminal. It would open terminal and then you type Python version. It would print Python version. If you have Python 3, you just type Python 3 version and press enter. You'll see if you see something like Python and the Python version number, then that means your Python is correctly installed. Otherwise, there is some issue in the installation. Alright, and then the last step is to just run it, and for running you just go to your code and click on the play button on the right top corner, run Python 5, and you see the hello world would be printed. That's all for this tutorial. Hope this helped you in setting up Python environment. For any questions, please let me know in the comments.